Welcome back, science enthusiasts. In our ongoing exploration of the fascinating realm of atomic structure, we are diving deeper into Class 12 concepts. Today, in part 3 of our series, we are going to some questions. First question. Writing notes on the discovery on electron, proton and neutron. Answer. Discovery of electron. 1897, J.J. Thomson conducted experiments with cathode ray tubes. Observed the presence of negatively charged particles. Termed these particles corpuscles, later named electrons. Concluded that electrons are fundamental constituents of atoms. Discovery of proton. Early 20th century, Ernest Rutherford conducted experiments with radioactive materials. Directed alpha particles at a thin gold form. Observed deflection of some particles at large angles. Proposed a dense, positively charged nucleus within atoms. Concluded the presence of positively charged particles, later named protons. Discovery of neutron. 1932, James Chadwick conducted experiments involving the bombardment of beryllium with alpha particles. Noticed emission of neutral radiation. Discovered the existence of a neutral particle with a mass similar to a proton. Named this particle the neutron. Neutrons were found to be constituents of atomic nuclei, alongside protons. Second question. What is ratio of the mass of an electron to mass of proton? Answer. 5.45*10⁴. Third question. What are the names of the subatomic particles? What are their mass in kg and in atomic mass units? What is unit charge on each? Answer. Subatomic particles and their properties. 1. Electron. Mass approximately /9.1093836 times 10 minus 31 kg. Mass in atomic mass units, approximately /5.486 times 10 minus 4 /. Charge minus 1 elementary charge, approximately minus 1.60217664 times 10 minus 19 coulombs. 2. Proton. Mass approximately /1.67262192 times 10 minus 27 kg. Mass in atomic mass units, approximately 1.007276466 Charge plus 1 elementary charge, approximately /1.60217664 times 10 minus 19 coulombs. 3. Neutron. Mass approximately /1.6749279498 times 10 minus 27 kg. Mass in atomic mass units, approximately 1.0086649158 Charge neutral, 0 elementary charge. Friends, we discussed a lot today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.